duck. Yes, and the mother and the other ducks are surprised. Están todos sorprendidos. The other ducks laugh and make fun of the poor little ducks. They say, "Ugly duck, ugly duck." Los otros patitos se meten con él, se ríen de él. Dicen, "Patito feo, patito feo." "Ugly duck, ugly duck." Repeat. Very good, very good. And the ugly duck is sad. Está triste el patito feo. So, let's look at the picture. The ugly duck decides to go walking. Decide irse, caminar. And so he walks, and he walks, and he walks. And finally, he sees a tree. Let's look at the picture. And there is a rabbit in the tree, and the rabbit invites him into the house. Le invita a entrar. So, the ugly duck enters the house, and it is very warm, and there is a fire, and the duck is very happy. And the rabbit gives him tea and treats him very well. But the ugly duck feels sick. Está enfermo el patito. Tiene resfriado y tos. He has a cold and he sneezes and coughs